Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNPD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one, and updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. Just go ahead and get rid of that line right there. That served its purpose for now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. But the newest update here is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into the day, that 425 mark was an area of support, but with the price now breaking down below it, which happened during that opening part of the day, that would now be considered the area of resistance. So if the price can continue to bottom out like it's trying to do and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides, in the sense of, not necessarily can the price get back up to 425, but more importantly, can the price break above it and stay up above it? So you want to keep a very close eye on that moving forward here if there is any sort of attempted bounce. But to give some credit where credit's due, the bulls held up very strongly at a level that you would want to see them act strongly, and that is right down here at that green line, which again will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos. But that area sits here right around, give or take, $3.80. Like I said, did a fantastic job. The bears tried several times to push down through there, but the bulls held strong. So good to see at least 380 is holding as support. But in the event that level is broken, since the price is still relatively close to it, so I mean that doesn't mean it's guaranteed to break, but it's at least a rational thought to have that the price might go down there and get tested again. But if that level can't quite hold up as support, the next key level would then be that gap close location down there at $3.60. So again, as far as supports, 380 and then 360, and then in terms of levels of resistance, keep an eye on that $4.25 mark if the price can bounce back upwards. But let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.